Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's start by diving into the world of aerial photography with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. First off, the Mavic 3 Pro is not just any drone. It's equipped with a triple camera system that's designed to give you ultimate creative freedom. At the heart of it is the 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera. This baby delivers stunning image quality and vibrant colors, making your footage look absolutely professional. Next, let's talk about the upgraded 166mm telecamera with 7x optical zoom and a wider f3. For aperture, you can capture incredible details from a distance. Whether you're shooting wildlife or just trying to get that perfect shot without disturbing the scene, this lens has got you covered. And then, there's the new 70mm medium tele lens. This one offers 3x optical zoom and can shoot up to 48MP resolution. Perfect for urban shoots where getting close to your subject isn't always possible. Plus, it gives your shots that dramatic, cinematic look with amazing background compression. For the pros out there, the Mavic 3 Pro Sign version comes with a built-in 1TB SSD and supports Apple ProRes, ensuring top-notch color fidelity for your projects. But it's not just about the cameras. The Mavic 3 Pro also boasts industry-leading flight performance and intelligent features, making it super easy to fly and capture stunning footage every time. From its versatile camera system to its exceptional flight capabilities, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is definitely the way to go. Next up, the Bigscreen Beyond VR headset. This isn't just another VR headset. It's a revolutionary piece of tech that's set to change the way you experience virtual worlds. The Beyond headset features dual 1-inch micro OLED displays with a resolution of 5120x2560. With bespoke pancake optics, you get a field of view of 102° and up to 90 Hz refresh rate. The result? No more screen door effect, dull colors, or motion blur. Just crisp, vibrant visuals that make everything feel incredibly real. Comfort is key with the Beyond. It's custom built to the shape of your face and aligned to your eyes, providing a perfect fit for maximum comfort and clarity. Say goodbye to the days of readjusting your headset mid-game. The Beyond is 6 times lighter than other VR headsets at just 127 grams. It's ultra-light and compact, perfect for those marathon VR experiences. It's also fully compatible with Steam VR. That means you get seamless access to a vast library of VR games and apps. From gaming to movie watching, Beyond offers an immersive experience like no other. Let's dive into the Trexo Prokit V2, a game changer for anyone serious about video content creation. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or just love capturing moments with precision, this kit has got you covered. No more fumbling around with complicated settings. What really sets the Trexo Prokit V2 apart is its multi-axis face tracking feature. This means you can capture smooth, precise footage without needing a second person to help. Just set it up and let the Prokit do the work. Got a complex shot in mind? The Trexo mobile app makes it a breeze. From mesmerizing stop motions to buttery smooth time lapses, you can dive into advanced moves effortlessly. The app is intuitive and user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to get stunning results. So if you're looking to elevate your video production game, the Trexo Prokit V2 is your new best friend. Meet the Tornado, a smart and powerful cargo e-bike that's set to enhance your adventures. This beast of a bike isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about doing it with style, power, and intelligence. With a whopping 440 pounds capacity, the Tornado effortlessly handles all your cargo needs, whether you're hauling groceries, gear, or the kids. But that's not all. The Tornado comes packed with smart features like a built-in smart lock system, ensuring your ride stays safe and secure wherever you park it. The Tornado claims an extended battery life, taking you up to 60 miles on a single charge, and with an optional upgrade, it can stretch up to 100 miles. perfect for those long weekend adventures. When coming to navigation, the Tornado's got you covered with its integrated GPS system, mapping every move and archiving all your adventures. So, redefine your journey and embrace the adventure with the Tornado. Welcome to the next-gen 3-in-1 atmospheric water dispenser. This genius gadget harnesses moisture from even the driest of air using nanofiltration and UVC sterilization, ensuring every drop is as pure as can be. Inspired by nature's own filtration masters, desert beetles and cacti, it produces a staggering output of up to 19 litres per day. It's a game changer in the quest for clean water. With optional mineral-rich filter cartridges, you can tailor your water to suit your taste and health needs. And when the mercury rises, fear not. With its rapid chill feature, you'll have icy refreshment in just 2 minutes, perfect for those scorching summer days. This marvel doesn't just dispense water, it purifies the air and even dehumidifies, keeping your home fresh and clean without breaking a sweat. Best part? It's a breeze to maintain, with quick and easy filter replacements that you can do yourself. Plus, it comes equipped with a solar power system, so you can enjoy mineral-rich water anywhere the sun shines. Stay hydrated, stay cool, stay eco-friendly with the next-gen 3-in-1 atmospheric water dispenser. Next, the Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro. Whether you're an adventurer, a field worker, or just someone who needs a tough and reliable tablet, this one has got you covered. This tablet's got dual 1100 lumens LED lights with IP68/IP69K ratings and MEL STD 810H certification. The Armor Pad 3 Pro is built to withstand water, dust and drops. It's designed to handle whatever life throws at it. Powered by a massive 33,280 mAh battery, this tablet can power through an entire week of use. The 66W fast charging feature ensures you're back in action in no time, and it doubles as a power bank with its reverse charging capability. It features 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, expandable up to 2 TB. The 10.36-inch 2K display with 500 nits brightness and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 ensures stunning visuals and durability. Whether you're under the sun or in tough environments, this screen is clear and tough. Introducing the DOCKCASE Explorer Edition USB-C Hub, the ultimate multitasking powerhouse for your workspace. The HDMI and DisplayPort supports stunning single-monitor displays of up to 8K at 38, while simultaneously supporting dual displays at up to 4K at 60 Hz. Talk about high-definition multitasking. From a USB-C 100W power delivery input port to HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-A, Ethernet, South Dakota, and microSD card slots, this hub has got you covered. With ultra-high-speed transmission capabilities of up to 10 Gbps on the USB-C data port and USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, transferring files has never been faster. Plus, with the DOCKCASE Explorer Edition, you're not just getting a hub. You're getting peace of mind with our worry-free 12-month warranty and 24-hour friendly customer service. Upgrade your workspace today with the DOCKCASE Explorer Edition USB-C hub and experience the true meaning of efficiency and convenience. Lastly, the Phrozen Arco FDM 3D printer. The Phrozen Arco boasts a massive 300 mm cubed print volume, meaning you can print larger models or multiple pieces in one go, saving you time and hassle. Precision is key, and the Arco nails it with dual 18 mm diameter metal extruder gears and a 9.5:1 reduction ratio. The Arco features direct extrusion path, DEP technology. This means a shorter distance between the extrusion gears and the hot end, which translates to faster and more precise printing. The Arco's low center of gravity and reinforced core XY structure reduce shaking and misalignment. Plus, thickened metal stands and linear rails guarantee smooth and accurate XY axis movements, giving you intricate details and perfect layer alignment. No more fussing with manual bed leveling. The Arco's 5x5 point system ensures precise bed calibration, reducing print failures and making your printing process smooth and worry-free. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.